Hey, what's up, Dance Nation? I'm Ambitious Anthony, and thank you for joining me on AMTV. Okay, so today we're going to be working on an old school party dance called Roger Rabbit. I don't know what's up with these cartoons and stuff, but you know it's a thing in hip hop. Before we get into it, remember, when it comes to hip hop party dances, if you don't know the groove, then you don't know the move. Just the way it is, okay? So, with that being said, if you want to check out Grooves Only, just check the link in the description box below. So like before, we're going to be using a chest groove, okay? So, you want to start out by pushing out your chest like this, all right? And then from there, your chest is going to go inwards. We're here, 2. That's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. Now remember, this dance specifically is actually a lot easier to do with the groove than to do it without the groove. I find it so much more challenging, and I find that when I teach my students, they run into the same problem. So again, you really want to focus on chest out and chest in. Let's push the chest out, and then we're going to take our first step, and we're going to put our foot behind us. All right? Now from here, what you want to do is, this back leg is going to come behind and replace the foot under. Replace. Specific word, replace. Okay? So you're here, and you're going to go shoot. All right? Notice I'm slouching now, right? I got into this position, and this leg is up, right? The opposite leg is up. So again, you're going to go from here. Leg is behind you, and you go shoot. Now, once you're here, this leg in the front has to go to the back. When it goes to the back, you got to stick the chest out again. Shoot. Then replace all over again. Right? And you're going to go behind, replace. Behind, replace. Behind, replace. Behind, replace. Now, I'm placing my hands right here for now, but most people that I've seen doing it, they usually have a little something going on with their hands up the side, right? So if you wanted to use your arms, you can just go like this. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now let's try that with our feet involved. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, watch out. Do's and don'ts of this move. You want to make sure that you don't hop in between your changes. So you're supposed to just go behind, replace, behind, replace, behind, replace, behind, replace, behind, replace, behind, replace. Now, if you add a hop in there on your switch foot, right, when you put your foot behind, it actually becomes a little permanent. This one's known as the reject. And we're not doing the reject. Okay? Some people also call it jerking, but it's called the reject. And you want to make sure that you're keeping that planted foot down when you're transitioning from knee up to knee behind, and then switch. Replace. Replace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is a Roger Rabbit. Thank you for joining me again, Dance Nation. I'm Ambitious Anthony, and remember, if you don't know the groove, then you don't know the move. It's just what it is when it comes to hip hop. Now, if you want to learn more about the grooves, again in the description box below, you'll find a link, and that's when it takes you to Grooving 101. This will help you really build your foundation and make sure that you look cool on the dance floor. Thank you for joining me, and remember, why settle for less? Be ambitious.
Hey Dance Nation, when learning dance, it helps if you have the right music. So, the hip hop song of the day is
This Is How We Do It by Montel Jordan.
If you're a younger member, please search the clean version or the instrumental.
If you'd like to have me come into your school or dance studio, you can email me at info@ambitiousmovement.com. Hopefully, this video is helpful. If you'd like to learn more dance moves, click here. If you'd like to learn more grooves, click here. If this is your first time on our channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you don't miss out